Alright, hello, it's me again. I am trying this out. I just got an email that a really special package arrived and there's no one that is able to pick it up. Thus, I can go pick it up from the old building, and I thought I would bring you along, and probably you won't see me do this because it's heavy. And yeah, so I will start. Hopefully Agi, one of the receptionists, administrator, is going to tell me exactly where to find it, and then I'm gonna start heading out, and we'll see where it goes. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Alrighty. Bye.
See you in a bit.
Going to get the package. Oh, I guess the students are going out. They do finish around 2, so. Hello. This is my next destination eventually. Until then, let's go home. Alright, guess what I got? I got bed sheets from Carol. I am so happy. They're so cute. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, they are adorable. Yeah, okay. And Eddie Bauer, he did not have to spoil me this way, Carol. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Well, we're gonna put this on for sure. Let's do it.
Should I get peach passion, cherry amaretto, plum cinnamon, grape elderberry, or apple cinnamon?
Elderberry doesn't sound very familiar, so
Elderberry.
yeah.
You've never heard of elderberry?
I think it's a European thing.
Becca will be happy.
Yeah, this is where we would have studied.
So like, would we have also like lived here?
Yeah.
Oh, these are the dormitories. Okay.
Yay.
Kecskemét.